Hey, hello. So today we are looking at another of Canva's AI features. Now, this one actually allows you to grab an object within an image and move it around. So you may have a lovely photo that you absolutely love, but there's something not quite right in it. It's in the wrong place. You want to move it. You can now do that with this feature. So I'm going to dive straight in. I've got my Canva screen open and I've added a photo. Now I'm going to show you how this feature works on this image. This is just a photo from Canva's stock library. So nothing fancy, just an average photo. And I might be thinking to myself, I really like this image. But what I would like is to have these objects a little bit bigger. I want to be able to move them around on this image. So I've clicked on the image. If you click off of it, your top bar disappears. Click on the image, this top bar appears. Edit photo, this is the one we want. And Canva have this new selection here. Now, I will say this is a pro feature. So if you are on Pro, you can do this. If you're on the free account, I'm afraid it's not currently available. But if you want, you can join Canva Pro free for 30 days, a whole 30 days trial, and you can try out all these different features. The link is in the comments below. So definitely go and grab yourself 30 days free trial there. So I'm going to click this one, Magic Grab. And Canva kind of does a little bit of magic here, and it has basically found the objects in the photo and it has separated them. So now I have a background and I have this photo. It's kind of layered them. So I can now drag this out and make it a lot bigger. And then I have got some space here to add my text. And I've got my image looking so much better. This works on all photos. I've got this one here. I quite like this photo, but I thought it would be nice to be able to move this arm, maybe make it a bit bigger, maybe have the straw popping out at the edge of the frame, and you can do that. So click Edit Photo, Magic Grab, and Canva automatically take this icon for me, or this part of the image for me, and I can now make it as big as I want. I can move it around as well. If I don't want it on the photo, I can take it off and I can use it somewhere else within my design, for example. So I can separate them, completely separate the different parts of the images. This one I've not done before, but I thought it was an interesting one. So I'm going to click Edit Photo, Magic Grab, and it has grabbed the boot for me. So I could put it on the edge. If I click the main image and set as background, I can then stretch this out and have it there. So I've completely changed that image by moving the objects in it. This one again, just showing you some examples so you get used to how this works. Edit photo, Magic Grab, and it has grabbed the hands for me. So I can drag my hands out and make them bigger. I've still got my background. It's still giving me that blurry grass background. But then I've also got the hands on top. So there you go. Super quick way of using this new feature in Canva to split a background and an object in an image and use them in different ways in your designs. That's it from me today. I'm Laura. I'm a digital designer and Canva creator, and I love all things Canva and design and AI. And that's what this channel's all about. It's just lots of different things to help you discover more about Canva, what it can do, and how you can use it in 101 different ways.